Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our lesson for today is about the grade 11 General Mathematics, Quarter 2, about measurement and geometry. The topic is using scale to interpret and compare distances on maps, blueprints, and sketches. Intended learning outcomes, ILOs. By the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to A. Define and explain the concept of scale in maps, blueprints, and sketches. Letter B. Identify different types of scales, verbal, fractional, and graphical. C. Apply a given scale to compute actual distances from a map, blueprint, or sketch. D. Interpret and compare distances accurately using scale in practical situations. E. Appreciate the importance of scale in daily life, construction, navigation, and design. Introduction to scale. A scale is the ratio between the actual size of an object or distance and its representation on paper, which could either be map, blueprint, or sketch. Since real-world objects and areas are too large to be drawn in their actual size, we use scales to make them smaller and manageable while keeping proportions accurate. Example, a map may say 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers, which means every centimeter measured on the map represents 5 kilometers in reality. A house plan might use 1 is to 100, meaning 1 unit on paper is equal to 100 units in reality. Types of scales. Verbal scale. Written in words. Example, 1 centimeter represents 2 kilometers. Fractional or ratio scale. Shown as a ratio or fraction. Example, 1 is to 50,000 means 1 unit on the map is equal to 50,000 units in reality. C. Graphical or bar scale. A line marked with distances that can be measured directly, often found on road maps. How to use a scale. Step 1. Measure the distance between 2 points on the map or blueprint with a ruler. Step 2. Multiply the measurement by the scale factor to find the actual distance. Example, on a map with a scale 1:100,000, the distance between two towns measures 3 centimeters. So therefore, the actual distance is 3 times 100,000, which is equal to 300,000 times is equal to uh, 300,000 centimeter, equivalent to 3 kilometers. Comparing distances, scale allow us not only to compute actual distances, but also to compare them. If town A to town B measures per centimeter on the map, and town B to town C measures 6 centimeter, then in reality, the second distance is 1.5 times longer, assuming the same scale. Real-life applications, maps. Travelers and drivers use road maps or digital maps that rely on scale for directions and distance. Blueprints. Architects and engineers design buildings using scale drawings. Example, 1:50. Sketches. Designers and planners use sketches with scale to represent objects accurately. In navigation, pilots and ship captains rely on scaled charts for safe routes. Key takeaways. A scale is a mathematical tool that reduces real-world sizes into smaller, proportional drawings. Letter B. Understanding scale helps learners interpret maps, blueprints, and sketches effectively. C. It is a vital skill in geography, architecture, engineering, navigation, and daily problem solving. Practice problems. Number 1. A map has a scale of 1 centimeter is to 5 kilometers. If the distance between two towns on the map is 7 centimeters, what is the actual distance? So, given a scale of 1 centimeter on the map is to 5 kilometers real. So, the map distance is 7 centimeters. We are required the actual distance. Therefore, we use the formula 7 centimeter times, and then we have a factor 5 kilometers divided by 1 centimeter. So, cancel the centimeter. So, the final answer is 35 kilometers. Number 2. A blueprint uses a scale of 1:100. If a wall is shown as 4 centimeters on the plan, what is the actual length of the wall? So we're given a scale 1:100, which means 1 centimeter on the plan and equal to 100 centimeters, which is in the real world. And on the plan, it is measured 4 centimeter. We are required the actual length. So the solution, the given 4 centimeter multiplied by the factor 100 centimeter over 1 centimeter, cancel the centimeter down below. So you have a 400 centimeters, which is equivalent to 4 meters. And the final answer is 4 meters. Number 3. A map has a scale of 1:50,000. If measured distance between two cities is 8 centimeter, how far apart are they in reality? So our scale is 1:50,000. And we have 8 centimeter. And then required the actual distance. So the solution will be 8 centimeter multiplied by 50 centimeter over 1 centimeter. So the answer is 400,000 centimeters. And that is equivalent to 4,000 meters. And that is equivalent to 4 kilometers. So the final answer is 4 kilometers. Number 4. A house plan has a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meters. If a window is drawn as 1.5 centimeter tall, what is the actual height? Given a scale of 1 centimeter is to 2 meters, sketch height is 1.5 centimeters. So require the actual window height. So the solution, 1.5 centimeter times 2 meters over 1 centimeter, cancel the centimeter. The final answer is 3 meters. Practice problem number 5. A school building blueprint shows a classroom with dimensions 7 centimeter by 8 centimeter. The scale is 1:200. Find the real dimensions of the classroom. So we're given a scale 1:200. And the plan you have 6 centimeters by 8 centimeters. So the actual classroom dimensions is required. So for the length, 6 centimeters times 200 over 1 centimeter. So that's equivalent to 1,200 centimeter, which is equal to 12 meters. The width is 8 centimeter. So multiply it by 200 over 1 centimeter. The answer is 1,600 centimeter. And in meters, it is 16. So the final answer will be 12 meters by 16 meters. A practice question, practice problem number 6. On the road map, the scale is 1:100,000. If the distance between 2 points is 12 centimeters, what is the real distance? Given a scale of 1:100,000, and in the map, it measured 12 centimeters. So, solution, 12 centimeter times 100,000 centimeter over 1 centimeter. The answer is 1,200,000 centimeters, which is equal to 12,000 meters. And in kilometers, that is 12. So the final answer is 12 kilometers. Practice problem number 7. A scale drawing of a park shows a jogging track 5 centimeters long. The scale is 1:1,000. What is the actual length of the jogging track? Given scale 1:1,000. Drawing, you have 5 centimeters. And we are required to determine the actual jogging track length. Solution, 5 centimeters times 1,000 centimeters over 1 centimeter. That is equal to 5,000 centimeter. And in terms of meter, that is 50 meters. So therefore, the final answer is 50 meters. We will have the next part of this quarter 2 measurement and geometry lesson number 5.